It'll come as no surprise that the Nokia 8110 4G isn't packed to the rafters with power. Instead you get a Qualcomm 205 chipset and just 512 MB of RAM. That's all that's required to run the basic feature phone OS though, and the updated version of Snake that debuted on the rebooted 3310 plays just fine here as well. The interesting part is what the addition of 4G connectivity can do for a simple handset like this. HMD says that it expects to have a rich app ecosystem for the 8110 4G in the coming months, although for now the only confirmed apps are Facebook, Twitter, Google Maps, and Google Assistant. The improved quality and speed of the data network means that apps can do more, providing features the new 3310 could only dream of. It's not clear what these will be, but it's something to keep an eye on if you're considering a low-cost second phone. You can also harness the improved data connection for your other devices, making the 8110 4G into a Wi-Fi hotspot so you can connect your phone, tablet or laptop to it. The simple operating system has Facebook, Twitter and Google Maps apps.